How to create a newsletter in Beehiiv. First, go ahead and log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with a bunch of icons on the left side. To make it easier to navigate, look at the left sidebar where the icons are. You might not know what each icon does, so hover over them to see their names. Even better, click on the little arrow pointing to the right at the top of the sidebar. This will expand the menu and show you all the labels next to the icons. Now, find and click on the Start Writing option. This will open up a blank space where you can start typing your newsletter content. On the right side, there's a spot for you to add a title and subtitle for your newsletter. The title is what your readers will see first, so make it catchy. You can also add a subtitle, which gives a bit more context. If you don't want the subtitle to show in the email, you can toggle it off by clicking the switch next to it. You can add other details like the author's name or even guest authors if someone else is contributing. At the top, you'll see a few tabs like Email, Website, SEO, and Delivery. These are tools you can use to tweak how your newsletter looks and functions, like how it's delivered or how it shows up on your website. To make your newsletter more interesting, type a / in the text area. This brings up a list of elements you can add, like images, block quotes, tables, or buttons. You can use these to break up the text and make your newsletter more visually appealing. For example, if you want to add a big headline, just click Heading 1 and then type your headline. Once you've added all your content and you're happy with it, click on Preview. This lets you see exactly how your newsletter will look to your readers. It's a good idea to check everything here before you send it out, just to make sure it looks great. If you see anything in the preview that you want to change, go back and edit it. You can tweak the text, adjust the formatting, or add more elements until it's perfect. When you're all set, you can either send your newsletter right away or schedule it to go out later. Beehiiv makes it easy to manage the timing of your newsletter so it reaches your audience at the best time. And there you have it. You've just created a newsletter in Beehiiv. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.